The direct meaning of there is and there are is exists. We use these forms when we need to say about a location of some non-specific object. We use there is when the noun is singular, and there are when the noun is plural. There is a book on the shelf. There are 2 books on the shelf. Many languages don't have this phrase, and many people who learn English don't understand why they need it. Let's look at 2 similar sentences. There is a book on the shelf. The book is on the shelf. The first example. There is a book on the shelf. It's the answer to the question, what is on the shelf? What is the sentence about? About a shelf or about a book? This sentence is about a shelf. We describe what exists on the shelf. There is a book on the shelf. Our accent here is not a book, but its location. The second example. The book is on the shelf. It's the answer to the question, where is the book? What is this sentence about? About a book or about a shelf? This sentence is about a book. The accent is the book, not its location. A couple more examples. There are 30 students in the class. The students in the class are bored. There are 30 students in the class. It's the answer to the question, how many students are there in the class? What is this sentence about? About students or about the class? It's about the class. We describe that 30 students exist in the class. There are 30 students in the class. The students in the class are bored. Now, it's the answer to the question, how do the students feel? It's not about their number or location, not about some non-specific students. It's about particular students. In a question, there and is change places. Is there any milk in the fridge? Is there any money in your wallet? The same with there are. In a question, there and are change places. Are there any monkeys on the tree? How many monkeys are there on the tree? How many books are there on the shelf? To make a negative sentence, we use there is not and there are not. There is not any money in my pocket. There is not any food in the fridge. There are not any monkeys on the tree. There are not any students in the class. There is. There is. There are. There are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Is there one teacher in this class? Yes, there is one teacher in this class. Are there 7 students in the class? No, there are not 7 students in the class. There are 5 students in the class. Is there a book on the floor? No, there is not a book on the floor. Is there an outlet in the wall? Yes, there is an outlet in the wall. Are there 7 teachers in this class? No, there are not 7 teachers in this class. Is there a picture on the window? No, there is not a picture on the window. Is there a student on that chair? No, there is not a student on that chair. Am I your student or your teacher? You are my teacher. Are you my teacher or my student? I am your student. Is my student on the chair? Yes, your student is on the chair. Where is my student? Your student is on the chair. Are we on one chair? No, we are not on one chair. We are on 2 chairs. Who is on that chair? I am on this chair. Who is on this chair? You are on this chair. Is there one chair on the floor? No, there is not one chair on the floor.